What up world, it's BK here. It's a nice breezy day today. Yesterday we spent the day scraping off the intake plenum gasket. A new one was supposed to arrive, but it didn't show up. Luckily, O'Reilly has one. So Didi and I are gonna head up there a little bit later. Before that, we're gonna finish taking off the power steering lines. Yeah, you can see here that this has failed. With the power steering lines out of the way, let's go take Didi to get the intake gasket. We got 1.5 up front, hatch in the back, manual transmission, 193K on the clock. Yo, right, we got the parts. You can tell that this is Gigi's car. There's a part number if you need it. Looking at the book, the gray one is the collector gasket, and then the blue one goes on top. Over the last 9 days, we've just been tearing this thing apart, and now it's time to start putting it back together. Decoupled all of the intercooler piping, and I'm going to clean it. So if you want to see this pipe shiny, come back tomorrow. Okay, let's see if we can do anything different with the turbo piping compared to how it was set up before. To mount the radiator and decide where we want the intercooler before we start playing the BioShock hacking minigame. And I also want to learn about the blow-off valve a bit more. Where is a good place in the system for it to be? All I really know is that it makes cool sounds. Tomorrow we will install the radiator and decide where we're going to put the intercooler. We've made a ton of progress on ZZ. I appreciate you joining me. If you would like to see how this progresses, please subscribe. Hopefully I see you tomorrow.